when you've got a student who's starting kindergarten and they're not speaking the language and they're at a much different conversational level than a student who has been speaking the language for a long time, it can be a little scary for a teacher.
Some of my students that kind of present or look like they know exactly what's going on, they really lack some of the underlying vocabulary that would really boost their skills.
No matter what you're teaching kids of second languages. I don't care if you're a classroom teacher, special ed teacher, gym teacher, we're all teaching students of multi-language.
There's a predictable structure of each credential, kind of analyzing, engaging in professional learning, developing a plan of how you're going to transfer this learning into your own classroom, implementing the plan, and then reflection.
This program enables me to have a broader skill set to be able to meet students where they are and provide a better experience for them.
This program not only has me focusing on one area at a time, it also gives me a whole toolbox of things to try, like strategies and places to look for lesson plan ideas and how can I tap into the needs of my students.
It's so valuable to be refreshed and reminded, and because you're on the fly all the time and it's like, oh yeah, I do remember that strategy, or I'm going to pull that in now.
It's exciting as an educator, I think, to engage in professional learning with your colleagues and then test it out and try it in the moment and see the connections and the impact that it has.
There's been so much support through this program that anytime I have a question, I can reach out. My questions are answered. I have a great network of teachers that are working on it here.
We have people to go to talk things out and just kind of see different views, how it's working here, how it's not working there.
I was nervous starting because I was not a classroom teacher. I was worried that I was not going to be able to apply the micro-credentials to my work as a librarian and as a specialist, especially because I don't have that classroom teacher relationship and I'm only seeing my students once a week. But it was quite the opposite. It actually helped me develop a better relationship with my students, and I was also able to form a better relationship with my classroom teachers.
There's not one district in Rhode Island that isn't having the same growth, going on, and it's great growth. I mean, diversity is awesome.
This is an interest that we share and that we have our students' best interests at heart, and it's an opportunity to really foster collaboration and to, I just feel like it's the very beginning of something that's really powerful.